Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how you can react with more emojis on our Instagram direct messages. So let's say you've got a bunch of takes and now all you want to know is how you can react or add different type of emojis on a particular takes in your Instagram direct messages. If you do that, the first step you want to do is either open up your Instagram app. For example, I'll open up the Instagram from here and go ahead and tap on the message icon on the top here, and then you need to choose the conversation and you need to choose the particular text as well. Well, if I tap and hold it, you will see the system by default, the emojis will appear. You can choose hard all the way to thumbs up. If you double tap it, you will see the heart option or the heart emoji will appear. However, if you add different type of images, tap, hold it, and then tap plus icon, and you will see all the different types of emojis that you have available on your device. So choose any of those, then you will see under the text that emoji will appear, so you can do exactly the same work on your messenger as well. As you guys can see, we're doing exactly the same things. It is working on the messenger as well. Alright guys, I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.